Hi, my name is Will. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to try and clean out the dryer vent stack using a DIY kit that we purchased through Amazon. We opened up this kit and here's what we got. Comes with 4 3-foot long extension rods. Comes with a brush to use with the extension rods. Another wire brush, kind of like a heavy blockage for cleaning out your vent, or they also said to clean out your gutter for any kind of heavy blockages like leaves and such. Allen wrench and little set screws, instruction manual, and some vent adapters, a vacuum adapter that it'll be in the manual on how to use it. One thing that they're going to recommend that you have on hand is a drill and 2 channel locks and some tape of some sort. Basically what you're going to be doing is taking one rod at a time, sticking it up with the brush already attached, and as you're going in, you're going to thread them on. So we're going to pull out the dryer and washer and hope for the best. Yeah, don't forget to clean up all the miscellaneous items that's fallen behind the washer and dryer. So grab your broom, your dustpan, mop bucket. And that is quite a bit of lint. That's natural born fire starter. And one clean pipe. Okay, we've done completed it. It probably took us all but maybe 10 minutes to do it, other than it took 1 hour prep to move the washer and dryer around, do a little bit of house cleaning that we all accumulate behind the dryers. So as you can see, we've collected this much lint. Now, this house that I'm living in is probably 20 years old, give or take, and it's never been done. That is highly combustible material. It will not take much to spark it up and light it up. The brush that I used that came with the kit did very well. As you're rotating, it actually helps go into the chute of the casing. So as I'm going in slow motion up the pipe, it's actually helped climb at the same time. Now what they recommend is as you're spinning, just go back and forth as you're spinning to help remove any kind of lint that may be trapped. And then when you get to a stopping point, tape up the next joint together and continue in a clockwise rotation as you're going in. I thought it was counterclockwise, but it's not. It is clockwise rotation of your drill. So it turned out very well. I'm quite happy and saved a few $100 in a burned down house. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more DIY videos like this. Have a good day.